Dear learners, now question number 14. The ratio of time of coming and going to school from houses of two friends is 2:3. If the distance of school from the house of the first friend is 5 km, then what is the distance of school from the house of the second friend? In these problems, already we have got a ratio 2:3. This ratio is the ratio of time of coming and going to school from houses of two friends. On the other hand, in the second part of the problem, already we have given the distance 5 km of the first friend from school to house. Now we will have to calculate the distance of school from the house of the second friend. So, solution. Given the ratio of time of coming and going to school from house of two friends is 2:3. That has been taken from the problems directly. Let the distance of school from the house of the second friend is equal to x kilometer. That means in the question we have given the distance of school from the house of the first friend, but unknown distance for the second friend, that already we have let that this distance will be x kilometer. Now we will get two equivalent ratio. The ratio of time of two friends 2:3 and the ratio of distance first friend 5 kilometers for second friends x kilometer. So 5:x. If we calculate these two equivalent ratios, we will get 2/3 is equal to 5/x. Then we will cross multiplication. 2x is equal to 5 into 3, 2 into x is equal to 5 into 3. Therefore, it implies that x is equal to 5 into 3 by 2. It implies that x is equal to 5 into 3, that is 15 by 2. Therefore, x is equal to 7.5 or 7.5. One of these two you can write. You can write x is equal to 7.5 and also you can write x is equal to 7.5. So, the required distance of the first friend, required distance of the second friend, so the required distance of the second friend from school to house is equal to 7.5 km. And this is the answer of these problems. Dear learners, now question number 15. The ratio of milk and sugar in frumenty is 7:2. Do you know the meaning of frumenty? Frumenty means payesh. In Bengali, frumenty means payesh. The ratio of milk and sugar in frumenty is 7:2. In the frumenty, the quantity of sugar is 4 kg. What is the quantity of milk? Already we have worked out this type of sum earlier, so it will be easier to you. Now see the solution. Given ratio of milk and sugar in the frumenty is 7:2. That means the ratio of milk is 7 and the ratio of sugar is 2. So milk is to sugar is equal to 7:2. Let the quantities of milk and sugar in the frumenty is equal to 7x kg and 2x kg respectively. As 7:2 the ratio, so from the reference of this ratio, we will just multiply the common factors, unknown common factors is, so 2x kg, 7x kg it will be the quantity of milk and 2x kg it will be the quantity of sugar. Now in the question we have given that the quantity of sugar is 4 kg On the other hand, we have let that the quantity of sugar is 2 kgs. So now we will get the equation 2 kg, 2x kg, sorry 2x kg. So now we will get the equation 2x is equal to 4. It implies that x is equal to 4 by 2. After calculation we will get x is equal to 2. So the quantity of milk, initially we have let that the quantity of milk is 7x kg. So if the quantity of milk 7x kg and if we got the value of x is equal to 2, so the quantity of milk is equal to 7x kg is equal to 7 into, in the place of x we will write 2, so 7 into 2 kg is equal to 14 kg. Therefore, the required quantity of milk is equal to 14 kg, and this is the answer of this problem.